Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog, a very special. And guys, so right now I left my home because it's another day. It's a beautiful day which God have granted us to see amazing day like this. So today it's on Monday, and we want to say goodbye the month of October. At the same time, it come with on blessing. So right now these videos, it's all about reunion with my brother after a long time. And actually he was my brother from another mother, so he was working outside of the country for the long time, or maybe from abroad from long time ago. So I'm going to reunion with him and also with their family. And I think so her mom doesn't have any clue about it, so you can stay tuned and wait the reaction for her mom, and you shall see how African mom celebrate after few years ago. So keep going with me along. So I'll take my babies outside. So this is my home, this is where I'm coming from, and right now I'm rushing to pick. So for now is my visitor. So actually guys, my baby is outside. So this is my baby here, this is my baby, and technically after that I'll come and take my baby, and then I drive to border town. So it's long time ago, and I want to say thank you so much. He will introduce himself, and for now, for me, I'm speechless. So let's go, and then I'll come to take my baby. It take me to border town, guys. It's long time. Wow guys, follow me where I'm heading to, and after that I'll take my baby to hit outside. Look, that is my home, where I'm coming from, and I'm feel so grateful to be born and raised on this beautiful village. Let's go. Wow. So guys, in case you're new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Load to 6K subscriber, I appreciate it. And also guys, you can share these videos to your family, you can share these videos to your brother and sister, and also you can share to both of your parents to watch Hello Baby Official, and that's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And guys, thank you so much for clicking these videos. May God bless you abundantly. And on a single minute, I want to say God thank you for the gift of life. Me, I'm always say God thank you so much. Even when I'm going to sleep, I say God thank you so much for this prosper of their life. Wow guys, are you ready for this? For now, I'm going to meet with my visitor. It's from Qatar. If you are from Qatar and are watching these videos, let me know in the comment section. And I think even right now I didn't pass the message to her mom, so I'm just going and pick that brother from another mother randomly, and then we came to the village, which is I really appreciate. So after this, my baby, it's helped me a lot, and I want to say thank you so much to Monkia. Big shout out to you guys. You can go and check Monkia 23. Just over here with my brother. It's long time, guys. So we made the shopping, and he just over here. Hey.
Hello guys, welcome back to Hello Baby Official YouTube channel. Consider by subscribing to his channel.
Yes.
And we are at home. We are at Sirare town border, and definitely it's very nice day for us here at Sirare.
Did the shopping,
guys. And we are heading to Nyabohanse.
For the first time.
Yeah, for the first time, guys. For the first time. Big shout out to all YouTubers from Nyabohanse, each and everyone. We love you guys. And also for our subscribers, big shout out to you guys. You know, you're the one who's supporting us, and we appreciate for your support. Hey. So guys, go check me, Brother Dagi, on my YouTube channel. Let me show you my channel, guys. Let me show you my channel, guys. Go subscribe to my channel, Brother Dagi. Guys, this is my channel here, Brother Dagi. Go subscribe to my channel, support me, guys, and you know, I love you so much, and I want to welcome all of you here to Africa, Kenya. Come and visit here, Kenya, Nyabohanse village. There is a lot of things that you can at least enjoy. There is a very nice places you can visit and enjoy. We appreciate for you. Yeah, we appreciate for you guys because you are giving us the very biggest support. Without you guys, we cannot reach where we are right now. Without you, we cannot reach where we are right now today. And for my people, I traveled from Qatar to Kenya. And
how many hours? 24 hours?
No, I went to Kigali first. I went to Kigali, Rwanda. Then from Kigali, Rwanda, I came back to Kenya. So I want to thank you guys because I have the video today. It's coming. It's a premiere video today. It's coming, guys. Go check me and watch my video, guys. Support me because you know I love you. My channel is Brother Dagi. Okay. And welcome.
My brother from Muslim.
Yes.
When was that?
I'm with the Hero Baby official here, and
I'm just over here, guys.
We are happy, guys. You know, when you are at home, this is our motherland. You know, we have to feel happy and happy and happy because here in Africa, there's a lot of things that you can enjoy, guys. I personally, I want to welcome you in Kenya. Welcome to Kenya, and you will enjoy. There is a lot of things here.
To have free freedom.
Yes, there is a free freedom, and then at least you can manage here and there. At least you can be able to be like, okay, I'm comfortable now, you know? Yeah, so welcome, guys. Go check me out, Brother Dagi again, and enjoy my content here from the village, Nyabohanse. Welcome, guys, and much appreciate.
Yes, guys, this video will be long from this supermarket up to the village. Wow. Let me show you Border Town. My baby just over here, and the supermarket. Have Target supermarket. You found everything. Wow. So veggie.
There is amazing tomato here. At least we want to support.
The camera in a moto. 50.
Oh, 52.
59%.
Oh, we want to support our mother here outside.
Purchase.
I want to purchase tomato outside here.
You don't know anything. Our shadow camera.
Oh.
We have the tomatoes here.
Ama tumalizane na ndani.
Not to nyanya. We have cucumber. Yeah. Hamsini? Na hapa mbele mbona uchague hapo?
Utachagua tu
haya. Hao shazoea kamera.
Weka nyanya za 100.
Za 100 tayari.
Haya niongeze. Haya zimetosha hapo.
Na vitunguri.
Kuna ya 30, kuna ya 20.
Hii hapa hii hapa.
For the first time, man. I was waiting my
Welcome back, guys, to Nyabohanse. But we are at border is burning.
When you have $50, you can make a lot of shopping.
Yeah. It's true. Nipatie mbili nzuri. Zinatosha hivi.
Tunguri.
So guys,
but there's also onion.
Yeah. Hiyo achana nayo. Hizo zimetosha. Na dania unauzaje?
Dania is coriander. This is coriander.
Ama lazima upunguze.
Bora pasugano to guturu mucherege bondorom.
So kibara agere kabisa bego. So guys, much respect to you, my good people, and I'm happy to be here at my motherland here at home. So there is amazing a lot of things coming from this place, guys. Yeah?
But I'm kumbuka kunibakishia bana niko njaa. Okay, wafunga hivi. Acha kwanza washibe.
Niko na haraka kuna mali naenda.
Tuweke na ndani. Hamutafunga kando.
At the same time kazi lazima iendelee.
Business town, okay. This goes to 2 USD. $2.
Guys, we are going to...
Mama, sisi tutakaa hapa.
Yeah.
Hapa.
Haya.
Tukitoka
Shingapi unadai ma? 190.
sasa sangeka
Pesa mingi sana.
Sangeka kitunguu ndani iwe 200.
Weka basi.
Okay, we try to put the onions to be $2, $1.50. I think so. Nani hako na Nokia hako na Samsung kama yangu inalia. Wow. See guys, the vehicle are coming from bus station. Wow. So you want to surprise your mom with a mangani shopping?
Yeah, I want to surprise my mom here. So guys, watch this video until the end. There is a lot of things coming. You will enjoy.
Today we'll premiere this video.
Yeah. It's true, guys.
Yes, mtatafuta box kubwa mfunge. Tunarudi kuchukua. Nani? Anakula kwanza.
Anakula chakula.
Itakuwa table manners akiwa akiongea. Kula bro.
Enjoy your meal.
Anakula tani.
Enjoy.
Hii inashika wide.
Hii inashika kila kitu. Unajua kamera ndo msema kweli.
Guys, a lot of shopping.
Brother Dag YouTube channel. Guys, much respect to you.
Umetoka Katari bwana, hata hujui kuongea Kiislamu bwana.
Islamic, it's very hard to know.
Umekaa miaka mitatu kwa
Ni ngumu kujua Kiislamu wewe.
Yes, guys, I'm telling you, if you have $50, you can make a huge surprise. $50.
Yeah, it's true.
Tafuteni basi box rafiki.
Hello baby. Show them my YouTube channel. Brother Dagi.
You're a celebrity, bro.
Yeah. Go check out Brother Dagi.
Over 10,000 subscribers.
Thank you guys, and I want to appreciate you because you are supporting me.
Okay. Long time.
Nilikuwa nataka deto but nimepata hakuna. Nitairudia baadaye.
Sasa sile ni kubwa. Yeye anataka ndo medium. Hapo deto na atumishi siku mchoni.
Turaringe baadaye, baada tuikire ka. Unalipa na M-Pesa?
So there is some other way you can maybe pay in cash by TIN number. Dagi mtoriki mkimshari?
Kiatore bongo. Baby, ni pay bill ama ni buy good?
Buy good.
Oh, weka pay bill yako hapo. Nimepata subscriber hapa. Nimepata subscriber tayari.
Be a customer, you gain subscriber inside here.
Yes.
Okay.
Be a customer and you get, and also check out Hello Baby official.
Check out Hello Baby. It's a business town, I'm telling you.
Gapi? Ushaweka.
So we try to pack things here. Long time. Tata mzuri.
Acha ufara Kilimenya. Wewe nimekutoa chini bwana.
Haki ya Mungu mimi nakupigia simu.
It's time to go back to Tanzania right now.
Guys, we are going back to Tanzania. So we are going to pick rice, and then from there, guys, we are going back to village. Definitely there is amazing content coming from the village. So what you need, it's all about to watch our video from the start until the end. So guys, we want also to appreciate for what
Let's
you
go,
are doing,
brother
for
Dag.
watching
Because
our
of
channel.
time. Leo mbo kutanyesha.
Yeah. And I'm using Hello Baby Hello Baby motorbike.
Monkia jet.
Monkia. Big shout out to Monkia, guys. You know, you are the best people that you are supporting us. Because of Monkia, guys, you can see I'm using Hello Baby motorbike, and it's
Nowadays,
because
this is
of-
my baby.
yeah,
This is my
because
baby.
of our support, Monkia. Big shout out to you, Monkia.
Okay, let's
Big
go.
shout out. Yeah, let's go.
So tunaenda hivi.
Yeah. Yeah. Turista
Tambere. Eh.
Mari hara turahita.
Gato me kuina renchiri. Tambere ko. Ngora tachite na abantu. Mbere kabisa ngori. Wow.
Very nice, guys.
Yes.
Very nice. This is what now we need. Yeah. Very, very, very nice.
Long time, guys.
Our motherland, when you come, you can enjoy. There is amazing
It's
thing
a business
outside
town. They sold second-hand clothes, new one, mattress, and everywhere.
here. I
And
will
actually,
come back.
guys,
I will come back here
uh-huh.
to check something here.
mattress.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see there are a lot of mattress here.
There is a lot of
Go
visitors,
this way.
there is a lot of visitors coming,
Mhm.
so we need to prepare.
Okay.
Make sure
You have another one here, a bunch of the
Yeah.
mattress. Krani yaki.
Shikamo. Mwenye duka. Shikamo. Sasa kweli.
Okay. Want to greet Sister Tunasto and then
We
you
want
go.
to greet sister to Nasto.
We have
All
beautiful
about camera. If you don't know,
Where you are? Nyabuhasi is not good for you.
how are you?
I'm good.
I have
Hi.
missed you. Wow. Hey, you're
You're
looking
glowing.
so nice.
Glowing.
Wow.
Glowing, eh?
Mambo mama. Anakaa
I-
kama bibi ya Fodo. Aki ya Mungu, anafanana bibi ya Fodo, imagine.
Kimenona hiki jamaa.
Wow. Big shout out to Nasto, guys. Big shout out to Nasto. Sister to Nasto.
Chabi.
Yeah. You know, when you are at home, you feel like, wow, I'm feeling good.
How have you
How is
been?
life?
Guys,
You're looking nice.
Thank you. As
Life
always.
is so
As
sweet.
always. Life is always sweet.
have watch here.
As long as you are healthy.
Yeah.
Everything.
Missed you.
Look at this one. Beautiful flowers inside here. And guys, technically I'm thinking to have maybe 2-3 flowers in my house like this one here, which are very, very unique, and I can create a good beauty for my house. Oh. Oh yeah. Sawa. You have beautiful dress for the ladies, men. Look. Wow. So after this guy, we're crossing to Tanzania. It's near around here. And the rain is coming, man. What? Wow, guys. Agar dong mau dokter.
Don't get a custom.
Karena custom tuh dia kogir kan dibunuh juga. Oh my custom yang cute. Dibunuh hin tenda for reflectors. Oh. I'm telling you. Sasa no usah mulai juga custom ang gutira ko yun. Bere. Security speed ya hands pero makanya. Oh guys, we're in border town right now. Business. Try ko muli ya. So now, guys, because we're crossing to border town, so it can't allow. We shall meet on Tanzania. So guys, right now we are in Tanzania. So we want to purchase the rice. That's errands.
Welcome back to Tanzania, my
There's some
people.
big Nsekabisa. Oh,
Welcome
here.
back to Tanzania.
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, this is my customer here. Tapakiar. Mahal. Tapakiar. Aliingia nyuma upakiar. Ya Kohanda company. Tapakiar.
Welcome back to Tanzania. Now we are at Tanzania.
Korki bado mchele. Come.
Welcome back, guys, to Tanzania. Kaka, amangana masani.
No manyeriru. Ni yae.
Live wele.
Ni yao no.
YouTube channel.
Si mbaya. Anthony merudi tena. Chere.
Hey, look at this, guys. This is now the beauty of Africa.
Grade 1.
This is grade 2. Yeah.
In grade 1.
In grade 1.
Hey, you see it's grade 1.
Oh.
Look, it's grade 1.
Grade 1.
So
Unatanga kilo 10 hayo. Irenga.
Ya Tanzania.
Hata
Kenya zinafanya. Mungu to 950.
950, guys. This is Kenyan money.
Tara tu bime, my friend. Hana tu mai. You want to measure the cake.
Ile kuiro 10 la.
Hata tuone.
Mimi umenipa pesa.
Unavaa no. Iga? We mukiri change. Auntie asante. Aye.
Thank you, auntie.
Aye.
Okay.
Okay, this is grade 1.
Yeah.
Guys, if to bend, it's so hectic. Tutai, rimenya.
Wa mnyota.
Ona tuende Mombasa mura. Mambo ni mengi. Okay, it's grade 1. Awe chia kuhanda ka. Songa juu mura, usije angukie hapo. Hey guys, this rice. I do like this. It's grade 1. So for me, I normally purchase on this company here, Nyakohanda. Guys, if you want best rice, come at Nyakohanda company.
Yeah.
So this is Tanzania. Slowly here. Wow. Oh yeah. Shwari. Okay. Well guys, so right now we are back in Kenya. So after coming from Tanzania, so now we are back in Kenya. This is my home country. Freedom here.
Freedom in Kenya.
Yes.
Wow.
You have right to do everything in Kenya.
Wow.
Let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Ooh, look at my tattoo, guys. So there's some selling of fruits here. So we're going this way. Wow. And then we pack our luggage or our surprise, and then we go. Here.
Norabi kariga takate hao bene wikari.
Ganke penge kopoho.
Saa ngapi muda koyo?
Geuza sasa. Guys, here you must be very careful. Look at that. Crazy.
Guys, this is small fish
We
here.
call sardines.
Yeah. This is very nice.
unnatural.
Yeah. If you eat this and cassava food, you will enjoy, guys. This is very amazing.
Tapi
Irenga.
Mia tatu na ukora msini.
Na eno.
Mia tatu nyan.
Tapi mena neno ni kapa yuparu gibi mena ndake.
Wa misi
Guys,
mena.
yeah, I have missed this. You know.
Dada dega ngpiru lore.
Akanta bego. Besta
Onde mera
wani
punya Honda ringe.
Luku manu me.
Ota tumbe mera baby.
Wa hwen hayu wikai.
This goes to $3.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is $3,
Yes,
guys.
I'm telling you, when you have $50,
Yeah.
you can survive in this country. My home country. Tuna kipeps. Telling you, business all over. Going that way, other side, man. Imagine that's for $3, and it can take you around 4 days.
Maka kwenge.
Tapi bohambe dad.
Makambo kabisa.
Bara tutaya hari umudada watuheriribo agotoriribo wese kono.
Naona hii job inakupeleka vizuri sana.
Jobu gani?
Hii yenye ya sasa bro.
Let's go.
Dada unajua kuinama ni shida, nisaidie tu mchele. Na maumivu.
Embo.
Sasa siwezi inama.
Mfano uende
Fresh.
kwenye master.
Nenda huko kuwekea bana.
Abdi, beba hii. Abdi, put this upside here. This box. Yeah, it's very heavy.
Si vitu tungefunga nyuma.
Hata zikaweka.
Weka kati.
Hapo kati. Yeah. Sisi umekuwa YouTuber. Bana, YouTuber pesa iko.
Nishikie vya Abdi nikae, afu kuna vitu zingine. Ngoja kwanza. Nakwambia hizi vitu zingefungwa bana.
Acha zikae hapa.
Weka mchele. Hey. Lori. Tupatie kuna ingine huko. Pepsi ya ready. Kuna kipepsi huko.
Cha blue.
Okay, these tomatoes. Na ungendi ngora. Full of like
Hii utashika hii.
Ngoja kwanza.
Surprise to my mom.
Okay. Ngora mao utakaita mabani. Sababu nimekaa, wait, nenda hapo haikia Mungu. Atutaye. Ngora. Ngora. Sababu nimekaa kwenye guys. Tutaya mura, mahera kwa sambere. Magani kasa ukeri sana. Look. Guys, I'm sitting like crazy. Imagine. I have tomatoes, I have everything here. Man, it's to surprise. They want to surprise her mom, guys. Wow. Let's go. Today is a Manganyo video. Look, some construction going over. My hardware, which I purchased things. guys, I can't wait to see her mom reaction. Tota wanza. Torari. Tota torari. Mbeto no mai mbi bike so kimbera. Akoro mohoro. Torari. Oh guys. So you want to see the African mom reaction? Since my brother arrived from Kenya, so her mom doesn't have any clue. So if you want to make your mom to feel good, just surprising her. Wow, this police post. So it's right now it's raining. Some few minutes you will see raining. Yes. Try to imagine, this is a business, man. Wow. Guys, you can see how I'm sitting. Let me show you. So here we go. And I can't wait guys to share with you these videos. Actually very special. The kids are riding bicycle. Pulling up the road. Now we have new petrol station here. Yes. See guys, it's raining right now, so that's new petrol station. You can see the weather, it's so bad. Surprise our African mom, man. Hey, that house one day, man, I'm promising you that house. My God, you're right. I'm horrible. Guys, it's raining some few minutes. So you see the cloud change. There is crowd just a foot in the crowd just my Roman Catholic Church.
Very amazing guys, we are
Big machine. So this video it's up to home guys. No more maybe uncut videos. Let's see. Those two ladies on the road. Tax collection I've been going on here. I'm telling you. See this one. So we left the tarmac. We used the main road. Wow, at the far end guys, we have the dumping site. So which we shall show you some time here. I'm gonna show you right now guys. Oh, just over here, imagine people destroy some properties. We have a nice house here. But right now, people still the door, still the gate, iron sheet or the zinc. There is a house here. Let me show you guys. You see that house? No, iron sheet, that house there. Wow guys, this is a dump site here, imagine. Wow. So for now guys, we are going home. Brother Dagi, to meet your parents for the first time. I don't want now. Big shout out to Team Marwa. Oh yeah, let's go. Right now I'm enjoying the motorbike. Big shout out to Team Marwa and also big shout out to Monkia. Wow, wow guys, sun is coming. I hope you can see us better guys.
The beauty of Africa.
Maybe this way? Wow. Wow, you can see us here right now. Wow. This video starts from Border Town and it reaches at this point. Bono bilono atire nabi.
Ano atikire bono. Kote misko hara. Kote ntibu.
Bono bilono ngara wote rutire nabi. Junior njoo hivi. Njoo nikwambia njoo. Njoo tusaidie hapa.
Wewe nenda Junior, kuna mtu hapa.
Haya nenda basi. Kuna mtu hapa. Hai dogo wewe. Bibi na atire hana. Mpaka tusekere.
Anko, mambo vipi anko? Marahaba sana anko. Uko fiti? Wow, umekuwa kijana mkubwa. Hadi uko na machete unajua kufyeka. Unatengeneza usafi. Tengeneza usafi hapa hivi vizuri mpaka huko juu.
Haya dogo, chukua hii, weka chini.
Weke chini huko. Uko aje? Poa sana.
Weka chini pale huko juu. Weka kule ndani kwa kitangora ujifuate hizi. So guys, I'm telling you it's a huge surprise and you can't imagine because I'm sitting at the back here. Look. Crazy. Chukua hii. Pole pole. Ni nzito. Hey. So we're remaining with some few things like sardines and also this one. Hey, he tried the best. Hey. Wow, wow. Okay, chukua hizi daganta, shika daganta. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, kuzo.
Well, let's go.
Kami hata niko kijijini.
So we can't take. Oh, eba hizi vanweke. Yeah, the dog is welcoming us. Pop, what's up? Beba hizi.
Nipeleke.
Peleka.
Webi ndoki tureba no nyene ruwa ya ndoki tureba
bad.
They're talking, kissing. Tara tamruturan. Sure. Uyon. So they want to trimming this fence. Na acha fieke mura. Mura pereka daga mura nini skuli. Reunion with the family. Tutatore bibi hano mura. Na rakuni.
Hata nilikuwa nimeshaweka senior pande hii.
Ma fence ne fire ku trim. Eh, kananga asikukiora kora chacha.
Mura tutori bibi hano wasa mura sasa negasia ya kana hutunari. Afieke leo maliza afikesho kule.
Nipi. Natupia namna gani? Mbona wewe
unakua
Hey, this is my baby here.
Welcome guys to the village. Definitely you are here.
Guys, this is a reunion.
Mambo vipi dada, si ukuje basi? Unaenda wapi? Kama mambo. Uko aje? Umekuwa mkubwa anko. Nyandro.
Nimeona sasa nimekuona.
Me, I'm happy. I'm happy to see you.
Yes.
Yeah.
All is so to me.
Chacha. Kani kan kota kiora kunya hanora tirimu kabisa hase hanora.
Oh my god, kita tirimu han.
Dada mambo. Uko aje? My sister here, guys. Look at my small sister, my young sister, our last born, Uko aje? Big shout out to you,
Yes.
Ambia subscriber unaitwa nani?
Hello, my name is Regina Robi, a sister to brother Dagi. Wow. He's our firstborn and I'm the lastborn in a family of 4.
Wow.
We are happy he's back. We were waiting for him. Wow. Actually, yesterday I didn't sleep. I was waiting for him and actually he's back in the village. We are happy. We are glad.
This is really amazing, guys. Welcome all of you, and we want to appreciate you for this moment, guys. Simba.
Forget.
Wow. How are you? You are fine? Wow. Welcome back to the village. Nairobi. This is my borehole, guys.
Yes. What's up, man?
This is my borehole here. This is the place where I'm getting water. Welcome to the village, guys. How are you? How are you?
Oh.
How are you? Mama, you go happy?
Okay, guys, they are washing clothes here. Regina.
Yes, I'm busy actually. You can see what is here in the village.
Okay.
Welcome back to the village. What are you doing? You are washing clothes.
I'm washing.
Wow,
this
my young sister, guys.
This is your home.
She's washing the clothes there.
Guys, welcome back to Dagi's home.
Welcome back and back and back. Mura, them keep in top your tahere mami gorohar. Guys, this is my home. Welcome to my home.
Your originally home.
Yeah, this is my home.
Your parents' home is over
there.
there.
My parents' home is up there. So we are heading up to my parents' home. And then from there, guys, we are going to show you amazing content from here, the village, because this is now the village. This is now Nyabohanse village. Okay. And
there's some surprise here.
And a lot, guys.
Okay, let's go. Chacha.
Yeah.
Let up yours.
Chacha.
Mara tutana acha kunyuma kwa suma mama mai murangu chere.
Mama hakigurukuriga. Hafairiga hatirimi bo kabisa.
Wewe uchutiriri fieko.
Wazangu tuna afadhali ifensi yigoro kidogo.
Tati fence yangu binyingi yigoro sasa. Era akorenga sa era fieko.
Mana go kumana gitigire go gakine. Mahebe kameno yigoro.
Welcome back. We are heading to my mom.
We have the stones.
So we need to start construction here very soon. These stones will help us to start our construction from here in the village. Masayasa kono kana na hego tahiru ko kaya.
Dani na teme plasta matati kana kama. No para bubu kutsawe nyumra. We have the back door.
Welcome guys to the village. Yeah?
Imagine guys.
Yeah. This is now village.
Hey. Wow.
Uncle, welcome to the village, guys. Yes. This is now the reality of the village. You can see this is my mom maize, yeah? Yeah. Welcome back to the village, guys.
Whew.
Uncle, mambo.
I'm telling you.
Uko fiti? The life iko aje? Koko yuko wapi?
Yuko juu.
Yuko huko juu.
Anasema tuende.
Tuende huko basi tumuone.
Yes. Guys, I can't wait to show you.
Wow.
With the reaction with her mom.
This is Mr. Dan home.
I'm telling you, Mr. Dan. Okay, the driver for Burundian Travel.
The driver for Burundian Traveler.
Okay, let's go.
Wow.
Because you know, being a lastborn, we stay with your mom.
Wow.
Being a firstborn,
yeah,
you look your land or your share.
Yes. You can see Mr. Dan home here. It's looking very amazing and very amazing. Uncle!
Wazime muziki jamani. I'm telling you.
Uncle!
Welcome,
Karibu dada. How are you?
I'm good. Good morning, mama.
At your home.
Wow. Kwani uzeeki mama?
Mbona kote hapa yenge?
Sasa mtiro bwana mondagiri.
Kwa hapana zeeka.
Mimi nazeeka.
Mondagiri. Niko kabisa baba. Welcome.
Welcome back guys. Welcome to our home.
Mumesalimia.
Wow, Dani yuko wapi?
Dani alikuwa hapa lakini tena ameondoka.
Ameenda kwa Burundian Traveler.
Si ndio anaishi.
Wow, Mr. Dan, he went to Burundian Traveler home.
Alitoa msirani hapa.
Uko aje mama?
Niko poa baba.
Mashina kupeleka aje?
Asi unaona tu vile tuko.
Auzeeki kwani? Wow, guys, welcome back. This is home. Yeah, guys, this is my mom. Wow, this is my mom, guys. Yeah. So definitely, I'm happy to be here and welcome all of you. Watch this video until the end. There is a lot of things coming, so you will enjoy here. Content Village.
Takora unboxing video tu.
Mama, sasa umepika nini?
Siende chiko ya.
Wow.
Sasa mama.
Just one hello baby. Easy nani. My mom is cooking beans. Wow, guys.
This is a small kitchen.
This is a small kitchen, guys. Africa kitchen, yeah? You can see here. Wow, Africa kitchen, guys.
There's some small pot.
There is a small pot here, guys. You can see my mom is cooking here with a small pot, guys. Look at there. Yeah, my mom is cooking with a small pot. This is now the reality of the village content. It's coming live from the village content. And my mom is here just cooking here.
Guys, wow. Let's wait to unbox the surprise, guys. Thank you so much. Aya, simtoe ndani.
Guys, welcome back to my mom's home.
Acha turete meza.
Iko sawa
mama.
Hey, welcome to my mom's home. You know, guys, this is my mom's home and my small sister, she's here right now, and my mom, she's here also. And I want to thank all of you guys because this is surprise to my mom. So, my mom, this is your surprise.
I am appreciate.
Wow.
Thank you, my son.
And then there is a lot coming.
Thank you.
It's not only this.
Welcome.
Surprise, Mora. Unbox ukiona.
There is a lot.
There are so many.
Yes. There is so many things.
Do one on one.
Yeah.
Yes.
There is a lot of things.
Maybe brother Dagi put a bomb inside.
No. My mom.
Our good people. The box is full. These things are so many. There are many. They are uncountable, actually. There are so many. Our mother is going to let me not say more. You see the way they are many.
There is a lot of things here, guys. Hello, baby. Look at me.
Okay,
surprise to my mom. Mom, what are you saying about?
It's cock.
This is cock. You will enjoy. Very nice, amazing. Start from there. Kuna pipi ziko hapo ndani upeo maanko zangu. Hapo ndani.
Abantu bagotere chipipi. Wacha tuombe. Mtakatifu Baba uketie sehemu sasa mbinguni, masaa haya ya mchana wa leo mfalme tunakuja kwako. Papa, tumesimama chini ya miguu yako tukiwa na wingi wa shukrani kwa sababu ya maisha yetu. Kwanza kabisa, Papa, sisi ni watenda dhambi. Kila dakika tunaingia dhambini kimawazo, mdomo wetu michafu. Na pia Bwana, hakuna lolote tumefanya la kukufurahisha. Lakini umeona ni vyema tuweze kuwa hai ili tuweze kukushukuru. Mfalme wetu, ninakushukuru Bwana kwa sababu umetenda miujiza na umetenda mambo makuu ndani ya familia hii na ndani ya vijana hawa mfalme. Asante Bwana kwa umbali umewatoa. Asante Bwana kwa afya zao. Asante Bwana kwa vile unaendelea kuongoza Mungu wetu. Unasema kwamba tukiwa na vijana ndizo nguvu za wazazi. Baba, angalia wakati huu tumefurahi Bwana. Angalia Dagi alikuwa mbali, Baba umemtunza muda huo wote, alikuwa nchi ngeni, umekuwa mwenyeji wake. Umeweza kumfariji, umeweza kumpa afya, umeweza kumtunza, ndiposa umemleta Bwana salama.
Guys, that are driving school. The vans are also big tractors. Hey, where? Well guys, so we are heading to Mohan's right now to purchase meat. No meat, you know meat. It's meat guys. Because we purchase coriander, tomatoes, sardines, rice. Yeah. So at least people are taking rice, there's some meat. I get out of money. The weather is so conducive, guys. Climate change. Maybe sometime it will rain. Wow. Oh guys, we're heading to the Bohanse guys, to the butcher to purchase the meat. That's Dr. Kibe. We have the night upcoming restaurant here guys. Over there. See guys. Right. Okay. Damn, very cool. Nyama bora sana. Karo ni ipo wiki mbona. Sina hando hapo. Mama bora. Mami usoro. Tusonga mbele. Mami. Why? Yes. Purchase meat here. Oh. Oh, there's some meat here, guys. To meat. So this is the meat inside here, guys.
Mama bora safi. Meat, mama meat.
Bora safi.
Mama bora safi.
Eka kilo.
Guys, this is now the beauty of Nyabohansi. If you come here at Nyabohansi, Mama bora safi, she's my grandpa. She's my grandmother. Hey, my grandmother.
My grandmother.
Yeah, my grandmother.
Kiro kabisa mama.
Kila kitu mama, mangaba tunataka kunyama kabisa.
Lakini amezeeka. Mama tena.
Welcome to Nyabohansi guys. Wow.
What drives abantu? Baragere ni nyama.
Ngabantu baragere ni nyama.
We. Nigo toka mbere mura. Mau itara komerekera ha. Kanora.
Omome.
Mama tatu mata nyera safi.
Tigato. Yes, this 1 kg guys.
I'm trying to ask you, Waitaro. He's not coming to be old person. He's still the same face. Waitaro.
I have the puppy here. So actually I buy this puppy. It assists me as the security guide at night. So I was waiting the key, and then I want to end my video here. I'm coming from Border Town with my friend. Bukange ankorarere hansi.
Matuko maistairie korara ninchi ere gotora mokoro mperige no pone en Kenya.
Come on. Oh, you going to charge your headache so Kimu Heron. Hey guys, imagine I buy this dog around $5. So me, I love dog, man. You know. Urusan ortotia ko ni sa.
Tarusi meko. Bastoma kwa
Rudi na nyumba. Twende kwa nyumba. Sawa chat. Haya, takandi ngir chat. Okay guys, I'm trying to call my puppy because I need maybe this farm sometime it's have the puppy. Yeah guys, so this is my puppy here. Wow guys, nipeleke ikote manchi mugarmu kamba tunisa mwere kulifuria nguo hapo here. Oh guys, so I was removing this sweater. Okay, weka hapo kwa kiti. Muita dawai weka tu. Oh guys, come on, stop. Oh guys, I'll book for my puppy some food in a hotel. Come on, come on, come on. Mumarage hubu kimu
Ayurusi
Tanzania
umuntu akuguri usakwa bucho
nguri
ukora isirira nyeba
I will make, maybe on Friday I will make the house for the dog, and I will wash them, guys, and then I'll make sure that this dog eats good. Yes, I love the puppy, man. Funga hapo, man. Wow. So guys, I'm just around here, and I want to end my video by saying thank you so much. So you can see the huge transformation, and my sister's playing with my pipe here. Yes, the small roundary. Mwitano buku irubu tiko uchikinyumba kiyo kenane kiyo. Okay, so hiwi kundi kirimu. Baba! Mke kimugi kundi kirima aha. Ugetoro ubuhanga hansi. Yeah, ke. Ke yo kenane kiyo. Eh. Urusene. Wow, so they want to. Wow. So I'm trying to see how we make. Where? So they are loitering around the compound to see. Wow. So that's my dog, guys. So they are loitering around the compound to see whether it can be. Well, guys, so it's loitering around the compound, so it can smell the smell from my home, guys. So thank you so much, and tomorrow is on Tuesday. Maybe, guys, I'll work on my project. So over there, that one there. So I don't want to take you there, guys. So but tomorrow morning I'll take you there by God's grace, guys. So I want to end my video here by saying, guys, thank you so much by keep watching my videos, by showing Hello Baby some love, guys. Enough love, guys. So bye.